Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be looking at doing some work on BP garage and vehicles, and the one I'm going to be starting with is the Exploration truck. It's a Alvis Stalwart, made in England by Lesney. I can't quite see. Oh, Matchbox. It says Matchbox at the top. Made in England by Lesney, Alvis Stalwart. There isn't a number on the base, but I will find that out. But anyway, it's pretty beat up. I'm going to make some new stickers for the labels. We've got a axle missing, but I've got a donor vehicle that I'm going to whip the axles off. One post hole, so we'll get that drilled out. I've got some plastic glass inside, green in colour. Hopefully that'll clean up nicely. If not, like I say, I've got a donor vehicle. I've got some new tyres that I had for another purpose, but I can use some spare ones on this. So hopefully we can get it back to how it should look. So let's get the tools out, let's get it disassembled and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers.
So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox number 61 BP Exploration Alvis Stalwart. So what do we do with this one? Well, we stripped it back, give it a fresh coat of white paint, cleaned up the hubs, fitted some new axles using KS steel and some pins to form the hubs, cleaned the windscreen with some Autosol and used some UPVC cleaner for the false canvas cover that fits to the top. And then a few highlights to finish off. So there we go, nice simple little build. It'll sit nicely on the forecourt of our BP garage, and we'll include a shot, I think, at the end. So hope you enjoyed this one, quick one, nice little build, as I say. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.